The Epurbloc is strong, light, shallow and really easy to install. It doesn't even need concreting, just backfill with shingle or sand. It also has an amazing filter system built inside it which separates the liquids from the solids. No wonder it's one of the best-selling septic tanks in the UK today. So, how do you install the Epurbloc septic tank? Well, it's really easy. Simply dig a hole, then put the Epurbloc into the hole. Then, once you've done that, backfill with 20 to 30mm shingle. You can even use sand. But the beauty is it doesn't need to be concreted in like the old, big, heavy onion septic tanks. So typically it will take you about 40 minutes to maybe an hour to install it. Once you've done that, simply cover everything over with topsoil and job done. And then just turf it on top. You can also attach risers to the Epurbloc septic tank. This allows you to sink the tank deeper into the ground if you need to do so. So how do you do that? Well, simply dig the hole to the required depth and put the tank onto the bottom of the hole. Then simply just attach the risers. They literally just clip on. And the risers come in 200mm length, so you can actually put 5 pairs of risers on, which will give you about 1 meter in height of depth from the top of the grass you stand on to the top of the septic tank. And then simply just backfill with shingle, cover with topsoil, job done.